Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue. My Files app not working or My Files keep stopping on your Android phone. As you can see, I'm using Sparx Neo 15 Ultra phone. When I tap on the My Files File Manager app, it doesn't open, and I get an error message saying, My Files keep stopping, with options like App Info and Close App. Because of this issue, I'm unable to access my phone's internal storage or view any files and documents. So the question is, how can we access internal storage when the default file manager is not working? Don't worry, the solution is very simple. First, open the Play Store. In the search bar, type File Manager. Now install the app called Files by Google. I already have it installed, but you need to install it on your device. Wait for the app to download and install completely. Once the installation is complete, open the Files by Google app. Now you can easily access internal storage, photos and videos, documents and downloads. Everything will be available inside this app. This is a 100% working method to access your files if the default My Files app is not working on your phone. I hope this video solves your problem. If it helped you, don't forget to like the video, comment below if it worked for you. Subscribe to the channel for more useful tech videos.